Firstly, log into your ChatGPT account. Start by clearly defining your sales goal or objective and type a prompt in the search box. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to write a cold outreach email. ChatGPT will draft the emails for you within seconds. Next, you can use ChatGPT to generate a sequence of follow-up emails to nurture leads. This will ensure you stay in touch with potential clients without repeating yourself or sounding too pushy. Here's a follow-up email for the outreach. Need help overcoming objections? ChatGPT can suggest effective responses to common objections like, "It's too expensive," or "I need more time to decide." You can see it generating customer success responses in no time. Last but not least, ChatGPT can help in generating and managing sales data. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to form a list of companies that suit your goals. Here's the data you requested. You can also ask ChatGPT to generate insights and reports.